School, Division of Angeles City, for school year 2014 to 2015, do hereby pledge to pursue and finish our education suited to our abilities in order that we may become assets to our family, to society, and to our country. To participate actively in civic affairs and in the promotion of the general welfare, particularly in the social, economic, and cultural development of the communities and the attainment of a just, compassionate, orderly society. To exercise our rights responsibly and the knowledge for any infringement and violation for the public welfare and the right for others, and to remain loyal to the Republic of the Philippines under the rule of law and a regime of mga Diyos, mga tao, mga kalikasan at mga bansa. So help us God.